If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your bike without breaking the bank, this outdoor heavy-duty ULock is worth a look. Designed specifically for bicycles, it offers solid security with a hardened steel body and a double locking shackle that resists cutting and prying attempts. Measuring 6 to 1/8 of an inch wide with an 8-inch shackle length, this lock fits most bike frames comfortably. The shackle itself is half an inch thick, crafted from tough steel to keep your bike safe wherever you leave it. Plus, the lock's vinyl-coated surface prevents scratches, so your bike's finish stays pristine. Transporting the lock is hassle-free thanks to the included carrier bracket. It's lightweight enough to carry in a backpack, making it practical for daily use. The 2 keys provided slide smoothly into the lock, making it easy to open and close without fuss. Many users appreciate that despite its affordable price, this ULock delivers solid protection. It's not just cheap, it's dependable. Just keep in mind that if you buy 2 locks, the keys look identical, so marking them might save you some confusion down the road. What changes when you choose this ULock? You get peace of mind knowing your bike is secured with a tough, durable lock designed to stand up to common theft tactics. It's a straightforward solution that balances quality and cost, making it a smart choice for everyday cyclists. If that's you, someone who wants solid bike security without overspending, this ULock fits the bill. It's simple, effective, and built to last. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your bike protection with a trustworthy lock that doesn't compromise on quality. In the end, this heavy-duty ULock offers everything you need: strong steel construction, ease of use, and a protective coating that guards your bike's frame. It's a practical investment for anyone serious about keeping their bike safe on the go.